Good morning, dear students. Welcome to PN Amarsi e-learning classes. Dear students, this is the cover page of your general knowledge textbook, Madhuban Joyride. So, let us start with trick or treat. Do you find puzzles bitter or sweet? Try these teasers. Question number 1. Jaya's father baked 3 lemon tarts for Jaya and her 2 friends, but then another friend dropped by. How will he divide 3 tarts equally between the 4 friends? He can cut each tart into 4 pieces and give 3 parts to each child. Then second question, Harish and Soumya got some candy from their uncle. Harish saw that Soumya had 3 times as many pieces of candy as he did. He said, if you give me 7 pieces of your candy, we will have exactly the same number of pieces. How many pieces of candy did each of them have at first? So Harish is having and 7 candies, and Soumya, as he is having 3 times more candies, so he is having 21 candies. Question number 3. Complete the word change by exchanging only one letter at a time. This one you can do as a homework. Question number 4. Mahesh's class was taken on a surprise visit to a chocolate factory. Mahesh was worried about how many chocolates he would be able to buy as he had only 45 rupees with him that day. When they reached, they found that each bar of chocolate is the cost of rupees 3. But there were also a special scheme on that day. If you return 3 wrappers, you would get 1 chocolate for free. What was the greatest number of chocolate that Mahesh could buy? So, on that day, Mahesh is having an 22 chocolates on that day. That is the greatest number. Mahesh could buy 15 chocolates at first, then return the wrappers to get 5 more chocolates. After that, he could return 3 wrappers to get 1 chocolate and use that wrapper along with the 2 remaining to get the 1 more chocolate. Our second topic is about astounding animals. Evolution and differences in environment have caused unique appearances and qualities in many animals. How many of these have you heard of? So let us see. Number 1, this is a marine fish from the seahorse family that gets its name from its appearance. It is larger in size than a usual seahorse, measuring 8 to 10 inches. This plankton and small crustacean feeding fish is found along the southern and western coast of Australia. So the answer is leafy sea dragon. Second one, this amazing mammal is found in Madagascar. It has a long middle finger which it uses to pull the larva out from holes in the tree wood. It then eats the larva. The answer is A. Third question. This dog is often called a Hungarian sheepdog. It has a large size and is covered with a white coated coat of hair, being one of the largest breeds of dog. It is considered to be one of Hungary's national treasures. The answer is Commander. This is unique mollusk that has no eyes. It also lacks shell pigmentation that gives it a ghost-like appearance. It is found living in complete darkness, nearly 3000 feet below the surface, in the Lucina Jama Trojama caves of western Croatia. The answer is domed land snail. Now, can you identify these unique animals and birds from the clues? Let us see. These animals from Tasmania, Australia has a fierce look, a fighting spirit and an appetite for birds. lizards, and small animals? The answer is Tasmanian devil. Second one, this is a short-tailed mammal that injects fatal poison into its prey with its lower incisor teeth. Answer is short-tailed shrew. Third one, this little bird nests at 400 meter below the sea level in the Dead Sea area of the Middle East. The answer is chukar partridge. Fourth one, this endangered bird is flightless and is found in New Zealand. It is often called the owl parrot. The answer is kakapo. Fifth one, the largest of sea turtles does not have a hard shell but has a leathery covering. It loves eating jellyfish, leatherback turtle. Answer. Then sixth one, this animal found in Brazil, French, Guyana, Suriname and Venezuela specializes in swinging from tree to tree using its arms. The answer is white-faced saki. Our third topic is about man-made magnificence. There are some architectural landmarks that seem to be miracles of construction. Read the description of some man-made marvels on this timeline of their inauguration dates and label the pictures of the landmarks with the help of the description and the clues. Our first question about man-made magnificence. Named after the engineer who designed it, this wrought iron lattice structure was constructed as the entrance to the 1889 World's Fair, criticized at first by French artists. It is now a global cultural icon. In 1889, the answer is Eiffel Tower. Second one, this artificial waterways joins two oceans in the western hemisphere, allowing ships to avoid Cape Horn. France began work in 1881, then had to stop. The United States took over in 1904. The answer is Panama Canal. Third one, built on the site of the Waldorf Astoria Hotel in New York. This 86-story building, topped by an airship mast, was the world's tallest for 40 years. It was constructed in 14 months at the speed of a floor a day. Answer is Empire State Building. Fourth one, a popular tourist attraction of this continent. This multi-venue performance center was built in 14 years, designed by Danish architect John Utosen. After a competition between 32 countries, it was opened by Queen Elizabeth II in 1973. The answer is Sydney Opera House. Fifth one, this Bahi's house of worship serves as the mother temple of the Indian subcontinent. In keeping with the specifications of Bahi's scriptures, it has a nine-sided circular shape that is inspired by the national flower of the country where it is located. Answer is Lotus Temple. Sixth one, built on the site known as Ground Zero, where two hijacked aircraft crashed into twin 110-story skyscrapers in 2001 at 1,776 feet. The building site is a deliberate reference to the year of signing the Declaration of Independence. The answer is One World Trade Center. And the last one is the tallest of the world's first triple adjacent super tall buildings. The other two being the Jian Mao Tower 1999 and the Shanghai World Financial Center 2008. The trio are said to represent China's past, present, and future. Answer is Shanghai Tower. Thank you, dear students.